VMware HCX provides a seamless method for extending on-premise vSphere environments into a public cloud. HCX includes long-distance vMotion, bulk migrations, high-throughput network extensions, WAN optimization, traffic engineering, and load balancing. Hi, I'm Simon Momba with VMware, here to introduce a new lab, VMware HCX Getting Started with Cross-Cloud Mobility. In this lab, you'll explore VMware HCX. This game-changing product offers vSphere administrators a seamless method for extending an on-premise data center and vSphere environment into a HCX-enabled private or public vSphere cloud. The Hybrid Cloud Manager offers hybrid networking and bi-directional workload migration capabilities. The hybrid networking services aspect of the offering consists of software-defined WAN technologies that significantly improve the connectivity, resilience, and security of middle-mile networking. In this lab, you'll perform cloud migrations and explore mobility-optimized networking. HCX's state of hybridity is made up of two primary components. The HCX Interconnect service. This provides resilient access over the internet and the private lines to the target site, while providing strong encryption, traffic engineering, and extending that data center. Next, the Network Extension Service. This is a high-throughput network extension service that integrated proximity routing, which unlocks seamless mobility and simple disaster recovery plans across sites. In the lab, you'll learn all the options available to perform migrations, including a vSphere V to vSphere migration. HCX Disaster Recovery is a service intended to protect virtual workloads managed by vSphere that are either deployed in a private or public cloud. Did you know that while workloads are being protected by HCX Disaster Recovery, the HCX system automatically detects virtual machine disk changes and reconfigures running protections to accommodate those changes? You can take this lab now by visiting hul.vmware.com and searching for HCX or 2281. Remember, all labs are free and available 24/7. There's nothing to install. You can return and take the lab as often as you like. Learn more about HCX by searching vmware.com. Also check out pathfinder.vmware.com to find many VMware product experiences in one place so you can easily learn and evaluate VMware solutions for your organization. Thank you and enjoy your lab.